Okay, so I just dumped that pot, and inside that pot it had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 tulip bulbs. Now I planted the whole this. It was all filled up with these pots, and then I have some that are left over that have too many. I just got too many in a row all the way down. Now I'm going to show you how to add another row. This is how you add another row. That was pretty fast. Immediately you're pushing the nutrients to the bulbs underground. But I did this before, and then I filled it full of horse manure. I dug a big trench. Like this. As you can see, we're making progress. And that row's done. And I could cut this deeper. See how I put the manure in there? Dig a trench, and I inject it in. You can do this with your jacked up 4-wheel drive truck, but I can do it in a more precise area. I just planted these elderberry trees. I put another row in. I want to plant this plant right here. planted. I want this one right here. It's planted. 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 Now I'm back to making more rows. See that? And that's it. That's how you do it. I just planted elderberries along this whole fence. Like 110 of them. I got some peach trees growing here. Anyway, like I said, these were tulips. And we went and opening them up like so. And we're able to plant them. Separate the sisters. When they make a little one, they're called sisters. And you get that edge. You want that edge. When it's too much in one, you leave it alone. Because it's all connected to the same bulb. And it's about ready to split into more. Probably needs a little bit more room. So anyway, then we'll take the rest out of the pots and we'll start getting into huge blankets of daffodils coming in next to the tulips here. I'll have a small walkway at the end. It says, please grow food friends. That's what it says.